Alright, first YouTube video, boys. This is me just back testing data. Yeah. Let's pull up TradingView. This is just like, I just wanted to do that so you guys don't know that I'm fucking playing with you guys with the back testing. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys today's trade that I took, along with all the indicators. So I can't put it out, but I just use the fair value gap indicator because I'm lazy as fuck and I don't want to mark it out. But I don't really use fair value gaps. Yeah, that's just not my trading strategy, but it's good to see them because like if you have like a 4 hour fair value gap on, like you'll see later in the strategy video. But if you have a 4 hour or 1 hour or 1 day fair value gap that's untapped, and it just increases the likelihood of the trade winning. So yeah, I use the ICT kill zone just to mark out sessions. VWAP is just it's like these lines right here. It gives you a better indicator of like trends. This one is Congento. It's EMA 20 and EMA 50. Shit, sorry. And then I use the volume because that's like honestly the most necessary thing with the strategy, the volume and the VWAP, and then being patient. Yeah, so I'm gonna replay this shit. I'm gonna show you the trade that I took today. So let me go to here. Okay. So we get market open. I mark out. This is the first step of the strategy. Step 1: mark out your 5-minute high and 5-minute low. The first 5 minute of the market open from 6:30 to 6:35. That's step 1. And this strategy is going to require patience because it has a high win rate. You're not going to get a A+ setup every day. I don't recommend taking a setup if it's not A+. You can take like a B setup, but it's, I don't know, it's like a 60% win rate instead of 75. Yeah, you'll still be profitable, but yeah, you're gonna get a A+ setup about 2 to 3 times a week. So if you're making $500 profit 3 times a week, what is that, 1,500? You might lose once. You'll be at $500 for the week. Is it really that fucking bad? Yeah. So that's like how I trade it right now. Eventually, I'm gonna scale it to more, and I'm gonna be making fucking 50K a week easy, and you'll see it then. I'm gonna document this entire journey, but yeah. So now I'm gonna explain the strategy. So I'm gonna just so basically, what you do, you wait for price to break outside of the opening range high or the opening range low. Obviously, price came down here at 636. It didn't actually break through the low. So we're just going to sit back and be patient. This strategy, if you like trading 7 times a day, this is not going to be for you, just so you know. Yeah, so let's just skip ahead. I use the 1 minute time frame. You can use the 5-minute time frame to mark out the highs, but if you want the best entry, I recommend the 1 minute time frame, maybe the 2 minute. And you can also get a 30-second entry sometimes. It's just a little bit more inconsistent because you can get like fake breakouts and fake retests. So yeah. So we wait. We get a breakout right here. This is actually a really strong breakout. You want volume to be necessarily like over, it has to be like over 2,000. It depends on the market day, but it's like, see how it's 4.15K volume. That's like a really strong breakout. And this strategy like applies to the longs too. So like this is a short example from today. Like obviously my bias was bearish today. If you don't know bias, I'll make a video on biases, but biases don't affect the strategy too much because you're trading based off just like the opening range. So we're gonna wait for a retest of the opening range low. There's our retest, and it's a pretty strong retest, but it's still below the volume of the breakout candle, which is good. Now we're gonna wait and see. We get a bearish candle, but we're not entering there. We're not entering there. Price came back into like EQ of, yeah, just came right above EQ of opening range. So there we go. This candle, you could enter there. The volume's just not as high. I'm going to enter, like I entered right here where we get a super high volume. It's about 4.15K again, exactly the same as the breakout. And it's 1.2x or more the retest candle, the original retest candle. So I'm going to enter there. 2 unit sell. And for the stop loss and take profit, what you're going to do is zoom out, find a liquidity level. My liquidity level was the previous day low here. So this is what I targeted. And you can get it's usually like a 1x, 1 risk reward ratio. Yeah, 1 risk to reward ratio. I'm gonna do some more back testing. I think we might be able to get 1 to 2s, if not 1 to 1.5s consistently, like the exact same win rate. That'd be fucking insane. But yeah, so you just target like 4 or 5 ticks on NASDAQ. On ES, you can target a tighter range. NASDAQ, I put my stop at the opening range high because it's about 5 to 10 ticks above the high of the retest, which is right here. And let's see how it played out. I mean, I know how it played out. You guys probably know how it played out, but 0 drawdown, straight to TP, bro. In 650, it was a 10-minute trade. Like, it's really simple, bro. Yeah, it's really simple. You can be a fucking noob. Yeah, that's today's trade. I'll show you another one.